Hello students, in today's video we will discuss what is the complement of given set. Okay, we have here one universal set U which contains as usual our number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You can take variety of numbers, but for simplicity I used to take 1 to 10. I want to take one of the subset of U. You can suggest me subset A, which should contain element from the given set A. I can take few elements from there. I will take 3, 4 and 5. So definitely A is a subset of U, as each element of A is an element of U. Can we draw a Venn diagram for the same? Yes. U is a universal set. We used to represent it with rectangle. So I have taken a simple rectangle here. As a subset of U, I need to put A inside. Okay, A is here. What are the members of A? I will represent it 3, 4 and 5. Where to put all those rest element of U? 3, 4, 5 already taken. Remaining element, or what are those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 already taken in U. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, here is A, the bigger one is U. Now I want to take elements which are not in A, other than A. So which area? Area which is outside. Area which is outside A but inside U. Means set of all elements in U but not in A. And this is called complement of given set. Means A के सारे एलिमेंट हम छोड़ देंगे और all elements will collect from U but which are not in A, other than A. That is a complement. So simple concepts. So definition we got from this: if A is subset of universal set U, then complement of A is what? Complement of A is set of all elements. Yes, you have to define set of all elements in U but not in A. The same thing we have discussed in different set. What is the meaning of A minus B? Difference of AB means set of all elements in A but not in B. So this is as like a U and A difference. So can I write the same definition in the form of set language? So complement of A is denoted by A dash, means all elements in U but not in A. So set of all X such that X belongs to U but X does not belongs to A. In other words, A complement is same as U and difference of A. So this is set of all X where X belongs to U but X does not belongs to A. Look at this first example. I have a set A which contains AB and universal set U is taken as a B, C, D, E, F. So AB contained in U, so that's why U is a universal set for A. What is the complement of A? As definition says, I have to collect all the elements from U but should not be from A. So I'll go to U. Okay, one by one we'll try to copy. Can I take A? No, A is small a is in set A, so we'll avoid this. B I cannot take because B is in A. So leaving A, B, I can copy rest element C, D, E and F. So answer A complement. Now look at the second example where P is a set of all x such that x is a even natural number and उसका universal set है set of all x such that x is natural number, means any natural number. So set of all natural number is universal set and only even natural number is a set P, given set. Now I want complement of set P. So आपको तो मीनिंग पता है, कॉम्प्लीमेंट मीन्स सेट ऑफ ऑल एलिमेंट्स इन यूनिवर्सल सेट बट नॉट इन पी, मीन्स पी में जो मेंबर है उसे छोड़ के जो भी मेंबर्स यू में है उसको हमें यहाँ पे कॉपी करना है. अगर हमने नेचुरल नंबर, इवन नेचुरल नंबर छोड़ दिए तो बचेंगे कौन से, ऑड नेचुरल नंबर. द गिवन सेट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सेट बिल्डर, रूल फॉर्म में है तो इसको वर्ड में ही लिखेंगे इंस्टेड ऑफ मेकिंग अ लिस्ट. सेट ऑफ ऑल एक्स सच दैट एक्स क्या है, एक्स इज इवन को छोड़ के ऑड नेचुरल नंबर. इसमें एक इंटरेस्टिंग प्रॉपर्टी भी हमें पता चली. इफ आई कंबाइन पी एंड पी कॉम्प्लीमेंट, मीन्स इफ आई टेक पी यूनियन पी कॉम्प्लीमेंट, दोनों को कॉम्बिनेशन फिर से यूनिवर्सल सेट आ जाएगा, isn't it? So that we'll discuss in the properties of set, like these properties. U contains element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What about A? A is having element 1 and 3. So complement means, if you look into the Venn diagram, complement means this portion, isn't it? So except U and except A, and what are the members in that region? 2, 4 and 5. So your A complement is 2, 4, 5. Before learning properties of complement of set, look at this last example and observe carefully. We will get few properties through this example itself. The question is that universal set is given which contains 1 to 7. A is given which is having 1 and 2. Set B which contains 4, 5 and 6. We are supposed to find different things. In the first part, we are going to find out A complement and B complement. Second part, we are calculating complement of complement. Third, complement of union of two sets. And here, intersection of complements of two sets. We'll go step by step. Take down first part. Write down A complement and B complement. Quickly, A complement, except 1 and 2. 1 and 2, leave that 1 and 2 and write rest of the elements. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What about B complement? Leaving 4, 5, 6, we'll write all the elements from U. 4, 5, 6. We have to leave 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3 and 7. ये हो गया B complement. First part over. Second part. They have asked us complement of complement. A complement का फिर से complements, means we want to collect all the elements which are not in A complement, means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 छोड़ के बाकी के एलिमेंट यू में से कॉपी करना है. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 बचा 1 and 2. So A complement of complement 1 and 2. What is your observation? Look at here. A complement of A is 1, 2 and A is also 1, 2. Means complement of complement itself A. So we got one property over here. Complement of complement is itself set A. Third example. Third part. We want to take complement, but before that in the bracket you see here union. So first of all we will find union and then we will take complement of the union. ये union B. So union में क्या आएगा देखते हैं. We have to collect all the elements from A as well as B. From A I have taken 1, 2, B 4, 5 and 6। सो ये हो गया यूनियन। अब मुझे चाहिए इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट, ए यूनियन बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट। सो आई हैव टू लीव 1 2 4 5 6 फ्रॉम यू। 1 2 4 5 6 छोड़ के बचा 3 and 7। 3 and 7। What is the last part, fourth part? In this case I have to take, what is the notation, intersection. Intersection means common elements. I have to collect all the common elements which are in A complement and B complement. पहले से हमने यहाँ पे A complement B complement कैलकुलेट किया है. What is common in them? The common element in them is 3 and 7. 3 and 7. So what is a complement intersection B complement means common elements in A complement and B complement. In these two set, what are the common elements? 3 and 7. Again look at here, the answer we got in 3. So A union B complement which contains 3 7 and A complement intersection B complement which contains 3 7. So this is another property, these two are equal. So we'll see what are the properties of complement of set.